everyone, I hope you're all having a good day. Welcome to my brand new channel. Today's video is a how-to DIY to make a 1/6 scale bed on a budget for Barbies, Poppy Parker dolls and any other 12-inch dolls. For this DIY you'll need some robust cardboard. I'm using an old cardboard box from a delivery and I've chosen this because of its thickness so I know it won't be easily damaged. For the platform, I'm using the plastic case from the Made to Move Barbie I bought not long ago to donate the body to my doll Lana. This way I know it's a good length and width for a bed already. The parcel also came with this airbag packing material to prevent the doll from getting damaged during delivery, which I thought would be good to use as a mattress, but equally you can use wadding as a mattress or some kind of sponge material that's big enough. You'll also need a ruler, a pencil and a craft knife or scissors. It might be handy to also have your doll nearby to make sure that the measurements are correct. Oh, and you'll also need some glue. I'm using this tacky glue, but if you have PVA or a hot glue gun, then they should both work fine as well. Just be careful that the hot glue doesn't melt any of the plastic. So I'm starting off by measuring the plastic box, which is roughly 16.4 centimeters wide by 32 centimeters long, and finding a stretch of the cardboard that has enough space to place on top of that. Also wanted to make the bed bigger in case Lana decides to have anyone sleep over. That way I know they'll both fit comfortably. Because of this, I've added an inch to all four sides. Once I've cut out the cardboard mattress base, I draw guides on the cardboard so that I know exactly where the plastic case should sit. Away from the camera, I cut out a slab of wadding that's an inch thick, and it's the same size as the cardboard. The wadding is then glued to the cardboard so it's secure on the opposite side to where I drew the guides.
Hold up.
How deep can we go? 'Cause you're pulling me straight down.
I debated whether to put the airbag on top of the wadding as well, but decided against it since I thought it would make the bed too tall, so I've put the airbag away for a future DIY instead. Now, if you want, you can leave the plastic box as it is, but I want it to blend in with my diorama, so using some leftover sticky back plastic that I used to cover the floor, I measured the edges surrounding the case that would be on show. I could use some of the sticky back plastic to cover the blue part as well, but I have a better idea for that, which I will do at the end. As you can see, the strip of the sticky back plastic was not long enough to cover the sides in one go, so I made sure that the gap where I have to add more would be on the side that won't be visible in the diorama, as this bed will lie lengthways flat against the wall. And due to the shape and flimsiness of this plastic box, there were also some air bubbles, but luckily they're not too big, so you won't notice them from a distance. Before I assemble the mattress and bed frame together, I want to add some white fabric to act as a bed sheet. For this, I'm using the fabric from an old white t-shirt that isn't being used anymore and it isn't in a good enough condition to donate. So away from the camera, I cut out the back of the t-shirt and stretched it around the mattress, but laying the fabric face down, then putting the mattress face down on top of it, so that the cardboard base was on the top, facing upwards. I wrapped the edges of the t-shirt fabric around the mattress and stapled it into place. You could glue the fabric down if you don't have a stapler, but I personally prefer to use a stapler for this part, as I think it's the most secure option. Then you can glue the plastic box to the visibly remaining part of the cardboard mattress and leave it to dry with a small weight on top to keep it in place. The next day I added the finishing touch by using some washi paper tape to cover the top of the blue part of the plastic base. This washi tape matches the pattern I painted on this DIY shelf unit, which is why I thought it would be a good idea to use this as it ties the pieces together.
Hold up. How deep can we go? 'Cause you're pulling me straight down.
And that's it, a relatively quick and easy DIY bed that your dolls will love. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to let me know you want to see more videos like this, and turn on the notifications bell to make sure you don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching.
So